A social life. Elephant. The social life of elephants is one of nature's most fascinating and complex structures. These enormous creatures form matriarchal societies, meaning the herds are led by a female leader. Elephants are known for their deep bonds and solidarity with each other. Communication among elephants is extraordinarily complex and rich. These massive animals use low-frequency infrasonic sounds and various vocalizations to communicate with each other over long distances, sometimes kilometers apart. This communication skill is especially crucial during the upbringing and protection of their young. Elephants' mourning rituals and behaviors towards their dead demonstrate the depth and emotional nature of their social lives. When an elephant dies, the herd members gather around the deceased, gently caressing it and making various sounds to mourn. These behaviors highlight the deep emotional connections and empathy within elephant herds. The majestic social structures of elephants reflect the grandeur and complexity of nature. The differences between African and Asian elephants are evident in both their physical characteristics and lifestyles. African elephants can reach heights of 3-4 meters and weigh 6 to 7 tons, while Asian elephants stand at 3.5 meters and weigh 4-6 tons. African elephants have larger, broader ears compared to the smaller, rounder ears of Asian elephants. African elephants use their large ears to help cool themselves. African elephants have a straight or slightly concave back, whereas Asian elephants have a more arched back. Both male and female African elephants have long tusks, while typically only male Asian elephants have prominent tusks. African elephants inhabit the vast savannas, forests, and deserts of Africa, while Asian elephants are found in the forests and grasslands of India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. These differences arise from the geographical regions and environmental conditions in which the two species live. Both African and Asian elephants face the threat of extinction and are subjects of ongoing international conservation efforts. With every step, elephants carry the profound secrets of nature, reminding us of life's fragility and magnificence in every moment they live.